Hi everyone, my name is Vanessa and I'm here today to read you today's prayer. And here's today's prayer. Let all that you do be done in love. 1 Corinthians chapter 16 verse 14. And it says here, and do everything with love. Okay? I will see you all in tomorrow for the next prayer of the day. And I will say this in closing. Dear Lord, please send prayers to those in need. Please be blessed, be kind, be caring, take care. I'm sending my love and prayers to you all, and I'll be back here tomorrow with another prayer of the day. Thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content. Bye-bye for now.